Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna talk about the Taurus moon sign people, the Vrishabha Rashi people. At the starting of 2021, Rahu, the planet Rahu, will be over your moon sign. The moon represents your mind and your mother. And Rahu will be transiting over your moon. And Rahu is what? Rahu is an illusion. So, Rahu will be surrounding your mind. The Rahu will affect you mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. It will give you a lot of highs and a lot of lows. At one moment, you will feel on the top of the world in regard to your mental level, emotional level, financial level, and spiritual level. And on the other hand, it will bring you down. It will create a lot of new ideas for you. But at the same time, it will discourage you not to implement those ideas. It will discourage you not to move ahead with your plan. It will discourage you not to move forward in life. So, if you want to rectify the Rahu effect on your moon, on your mind, then I would suggest you to give something to the poor people. You have to find 13 poor people and you have to give them 4 rupees each. So, to each of one poor person, you have to give 4 rupees. That makes it 52 rupees. This remedy should be done on a Friday. Along with this, just give one black cloth to one poor person on a Friday. I mean, you have to give a black garment. It could be any garment. So, if you give 52 rupees to 13 different poor people and give one black cloth to one poor person on a Friday, then this effect of Rahu on your mind will diminish. The confusion, the indecision, the fluctuation of your mind, emotion, finances, and your spirituality will come under control. You have to give this particular donation on any one Friday in the year 2021. Well, for businessmen, I see this year that they will start a new business. They will start a new business very enthusiastically and they will work hard behind building that business. For businessmen who were basically idle, doing nothing, they will get some new business for themselves. They will get a new feeling in their life. They will have something to look forward to. They will become very busy this year in the year 2021. But I would suggest all the businessmen not to invest their entire money in one go. You have to split your capital and invest in your money very slowly. For Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people who are doing a job, they might get a promotion this year. They might move one rung up on the ladder in their company. They might also change a job for the better. They might also change a job because they might get a better opportunity this year. I'm talking about the year 2021. So, keep looking for new opportunities. Keep looking for new jobs this year. You might get a very good job this year. But do not take that job changing decision immediately. I mean, at the starting of the year. Wait for 3 months and change your job in the month of April. Not before that. Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people, your marriage life this year wouldn't be very good. You will have several misunderstandings with your spouse. And those who are already in a bad relationship with their spouse, may finally divorce their spouse this year. They will take a decision to divorce this year. Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people, you will be inclined toward the other person rather than your wife or husband. But do not take your relationship with the other person very far, because you might face some serious financial and emotional issues if you get deeply involved with that person. On the health front, because you will be overthinking this year, because you will be thinking too much this year, it will take a toll on your health. You would be into too much of negative thinking, and this will spoil your health. Do not overthink this year. The negative thoughts in you will affect your body. You might get diabetic. You might have some heart problems, or you might get hypertension this year. I mean, high blood pressure this year. So be careful. For Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people looking for love may finally meet their new partner. This will be a very enjoyable time for them, as they will feel emotionally and mentally high. Their newfound partner would give them a lot of happiness in their life. They will be very happy with their partner, I mean with their love partner this year. It may be a very good time for you to find your new partner. Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi students will do very well in their academics this year. They will excel in their education this year. I mean in the year 2021. They may finally get an opportunity to go abroad for higher studies. They will excel in their academics, and they may get recognized for their excellence in academics. So for all you Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi students, it is going to be a fantastic year for you. Your results will be far better than what you will expect. Well, Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people, this is my prediction for y'all. But this is a very general prediction I have given about Taurus moon sign, Vrishabha Rashi people. If you want some specific prediction about yourself, then you will have to show your horoscope to an astrologer. You will have to provide your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth to your astrologer, and then he will give you your specific predictions. Well, if you think that you want to show me your horoscope, then I would tell you all to contact me over WhatsApp. Well, during that consultation, you can ask me about anything. It could be regarding your business. It could be regarding your job. It could be regarding your love life. It could be regarding your health, wealth, education. It can be regarding your travel abroad, your settlement abroad, your family life, your marriage, your married life, etc., etc., etc. You can ask me anything during that consultation. Well, if I see your horoscope and feel there is something wrong in your horoscope, I can give you a solution to that problem also. Well, I do not only like talking about problems. I want to give a solution for that problem as well. I can give you an astrological remedy. I can give you a spiritual remedy. I can give you a religious remedy which will solve your problem completely. You know that thousands of my followers have benefited from my remedies. And I am sure if you take that remedy from me, you will also benefit in your life. Well, my consultation fee is just 1500 rupees. Well, Taurus moon sign people, Vrishabha Rashi people, I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you that with the blessings of my goddess, Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali, I have made a special amulet for y'all. I have made a special silver amulet for y'all. If you wear this silver amulet, if you wear this locket can give you a lot of protection in your life. It will give you lots of prosperity in your life. It will give you money. It will give you fame. It will give you good health. It will give you protection from all the evil eye of this world. It will give you all the knowledge of this world. It will give you power. It will give you the strength to fight in this world. It will give you the strength to move forward in this world. It will give you the strength to move up the ladder in your company. It will help you find a new job for yourself, a new business for yourself. It will open a lot of opportunities for you. So, this is a very powerful locket which I have made for y'all. If you think you need this locket, you can contact me. You can see the picture of the silver amulet on this video. Well, another thing, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, if you want to take your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from nothing to something, from the low point to the high point, from here to there, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Happy 2021. God bless you. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.